This brand is a subsidiary of Watchsmith & Krogman, and the humidifiers are made in China to be sold through various retailers as well as directly through their website or Amazon store.
The drop models are cool mist ultrasonic units that are available in 8 different colors to match the decor of the room.
They have a 1-gallon water tank with a coverage area of up to 500 square feet, while the Droplet models are about half the size and have 3 speeds. The adorable ultrasonic cool mist models are shaped like animals and feature aroma diffusers. The EE6913 model is a stylish model featuring stainless steel, and it has digital controls with a remote and variable speed operation. It has a large 1.2-gallon tank as well as a UV ionizer light to sanitize the air and an aroma diffuser for a fresh scent. The unit can use either warm or cool mist and has a 500 square feet coverage area.
The guarantee on the humidifiers is not very good when compared to other brands.